Generally, fractures are treated with internal implants, that is, the plates and nails which are present inside the body. And most of these fractures go ahead to unite well without any complications. But sometimes in few patients, these fractures do not unite and they are also complicated with infection. That is when it becomes a very complex problem and requires multiple staged surgeries to manage these. I'm Dr. Godasiri, consultant limb reconstruction and pediatric orthopedic surgeon, and we manage these complex cases with a method called as Elizarev external fixation. So what is this Elizarev external fixator? It's a versatile external fixator system which can treat various complex conditions in orthopedics. It has the potential to manage infection in these previously failed orthopedic surgeries. It can help in earlier bony union. It can correct deformities which are present associated with these fractures. It can correct the limb length discrepancy when one leg is shorter than the other. It has its role in managing open fractures also, where there is a bony piece that is present outside. When there is an open injury, the Elizarev external comes into play and it can manage these cases beautifully well. And one of its best advantage is something called as bone transport. So whenever we have a segment loss of a bone, that is gap in the bone because of infection or because of a trauma or a tumor, so we do something called as corticotomy with the fixator on. So the gap that is present in the bone is covered by distraction osteogenesis, where we bring the segment of the bone down to cover the gap and the body forms new bone altogether above in the distracted area. So this is the beauty of the fixator and it can manage all these conditions in orthopedic. And one of the biggest advantage of this fixator is that the patient can bear weight from day one, which is an added advantage. They can absolutely bear weight after surgery till the end of the treatment. Despite taking longer duration, the patient can carry out his routine activities.